Hey, so I have to leave right now because I'm going thrifting, and by the time I get there, I'm only gonna have 30 minutes to shop. So today I'm actually gonna be thrifting for my gallery wall. If you are new to the channel, my name is Julene, and I've been taking you guys along as I furnish my brand new apartment. I don't know if you guys have seen my entryway, but it's huge. The wall is humongous, and I only have about 5 pieces right now to furnish it. And that's not a lot. So today we're actually going to be going to my favorite thrift store to see if we can find some budget-friendly pieces, because that's a huge wall and art today is very expensive. So we only have about $100 to see if we can find as many art pieces for the wall as possible. We don't have any more time to waste, so let's go. Look at the girls in your painting, Jack.
Jack, I want you to draw me like one of your French girls.
I should always come here when they're about to close because there's nobody in here. It's $2.50. It's a Basquiat print. Oh man, it's expensive. It's $3.25. Yeah, me too. A lot.
This reminds me when I was in grandma's house.
You know. $22. What else do I like? I like this one. It's very expensive. Yep, $128.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel that I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just enough.
How much would somebody have to pay you to put this in your house?
That was like something off the scary movie.
Exactly.
Like The Ring. That was in one of the videos.
She says she found something that I might like. Either this is a prank or she really found a nice piece. Aw, cats. I love cats.
Monkey face. They racist. They have black features. The face is black, and they have a KKK picture downstairs.
Oh my god.
Math is nothing. They're racist.
It's really, what if we're the last people in here? Yeah. You guys, she's scared. She's scared. You guys, I just wanted to come on here and say that this was just lighthearted fun. The staff here has always been super, super nice to me. Okay guys, so we just left. I did find a map. The original map that I got, somebody picked it up. I left it at the front register and someone picked it up and purchased it. So they gave me a bigger map for 10 bucks. That's all I got, but I don't want it to end so soon. So you guys can come along with me and my sister. We actually are going to the Cat Williams comedy show tonight, and we're also gonna go grab some food. So I figured I could at least take you with me to get some food and watch his comedy special on Netflix, because I can't film in there. But yeah, all right, let's go eat.
It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't.
You seen them on Wildin' Out. Friday after next. First Sunday. Meet the Blacks. He is the king of underground comedy. Give it up for Mr.
Grand Rapids, Michigan.